Here is 12 key health benefits of the versatile castor oil. Number 12. Castor oil is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can provide relief for joint pain and swelling. It helps lubricate joints and improves blood flow, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Number 11. Some people find that using castor oil before bed helps them relax and fall asleep easier. It can be applied to the eyelids or used in aromatherapy to promote better sleep quality. Number 10. Castor oil is a natural laxative that can help alleviate constipation by improving intestinal movement. However, it's important to use it in moderation to avoid potential side effects like stomach upset or diarrhea. Number 9. Castor oil can contribute to healthier and thicker hair growth by increasing blood flow to the hair roots. It can also help untangle hair and treat hair loss issues. Number 8. Castor oil supports the lymphatic system, which plays a crucial role in immune function. It helps improve blood circulation and can aid in the production of lymphocytes, essential cells for fighting off infections. Number 7. Castor oil can be beneficial for healing minor wounds by keeping the area moist and preventing dryness. It has been used in wound care treatments and can help reduce inflammation and pain. Number 6. Castor oil can be used to clean dentures and prevent bacterial or fungal buildup, reducing the risk of infections such as candidiasis. Number 5. With its anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can help alleviate pain and swelling associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and period cramps. Number 4. Castor oil is effective in fighting fungal infections on the skin, nails, and scalp. It can inhibit the growth of fungus, reduce inflammation, and moisturize the affected areas. Number 3. Castor oil helps lock moisture into the skin, making it an excellent natural moisturizer. It contains ricinoleic acid, which helps keep the skin hydrated and soft. Now that I have given you 10 out of 12 of the benefits of the versatile castor oil, go ahead and do me this one small but very significantly important favor. It is very quick and easy to complete. It will only take a few seconds of your time. As you're seated there watching this video, I'd like you to reach out for your device, and on it, you'll see a thumbs up symbol. Click on it. Though it might seem like a small thing, but clicking on that thumbs up button carries immense significance. By clicking on it, not only are you showing your appreciation for the information contained within this video, but you're also helping to bring this content to the attention of other viewers. Imagine that little click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence many others. It's a small act, but its impact can be massive, spreading this valuable knowledge far and wide. Then, once this video has ended, and you've absorbed all the information it has to offer, what then? Well, don't keep it to yourself. The power of knowledge is in its distribution and in its sharing. I urge you to share this video across your social networks, through your emails, and on all other platforms. In this age of information overload, quality content can often get lost. By sharing, you're ensuring that this valuable information reaches as many people as possible, contributing to a collective increase in knowledge. Now you might be asking, is that all? Not at all. There's another step you need to take to stay updated with all the informative videos that I'm posting. Look out for the subscribe button. By clicking on it, you're not just subscribing to a channel, but you're also joining a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated. But don't stop at subscribing. There's more. Notice the little bell icon next to the subscribe button? That's the notification bell. Click on it and then select all. By doing this, you're ensuring that you never miss out on any new videos that are posted. Oh, and by the way, if you watch this video from your television, you need to perform all these actions from your mobile phone or your computer. You may now wonder, why should I subscribe? The answer is straightforward. Subscribing to my channel doesn't cost you anything. It's absolutely free. Moreover, my channel is a treasure trove of information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. You'll gain access to a plethora of healthy recipes with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions. These recipes are not just delicious, they're also designed to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Apart from this, you will learn about superfoods, those nutrient powerhouses that can boost your health and energy. I don't just tell you what they are, but also explain their health benefits. Knowledge like this empowers you to make conscious, informed decisions about your diet. Furthermore, this channel seeks to educate you on how to listen to your body. Our bodies are constantly communicating with us, sending us signs that tells us when something is off balance. By being part of my channel, you'll learn to interpret these signs to understand when all is not well within your system. This knowledge is invaluable. It allows you to take proactive steps in taking care of your health. Now, it's not just about me talking. I want to hear from you as well. Your comments, suggestions, and queries all enrich this platform. They help me understand your needs better and give me an idea of how to curate content that's more relevant to you. So don't hesitate, make a comment. It could be a question, a suggestion, or just a simple greeting. Remember, this channel is a dialogue, not a monologue. So, are you ready? Ready to be part of this knowledge-packed community? Go ahead and make a comment. I would love to hear from you. Number 2, castor oil aids in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements, flushing out toxins and supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. And number 1, although controversial, castor oil has been used traditionally to induce labor in pregnant women. It may stimulate contractions and help prepare the cervix for childbirth. While castor oil offers various health benefits, it's essential to use it properly and consult with a healthcare professional, especially for pregnant women or individuals with pre-existing medical conditions. As we approach the end of this enlightening journey, I want to take a moment to express my sincere gratitude for your time and interest. It has been a pleasure sharing this journey of health and wellness with you. Your comments, thoughts, and experiences are invaluable, so don't hesitate to leave them down below in the comments section. By sharing this video with your loved ones, you may inspire them to embark on their own health journey. Remember, staying informed is the first step towards a healthier, happier life. However, it's essential to note that the information provided here is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. We all have unique dietary needs and health conditions, so before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point, and in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning.